What's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew on Twitter. You guys know me as crypto_edu on YouTube. And today I'm going to be showing you how to purchase Apollo, and we're going to be showing you how to do this on Bitmart Exchange. This is the best place to purchase Apollo, in my opinion. It's one of the exchanges with with the highest liquidity and the lowest trading fees. And I'm going to show you guys a way to also avoid the highest amount of trading fees on here. I'm going to show you guys how to get the lowest amount of trading fees. That way, you can get the maximum amount of Apollo. So first things first, in order to have the lowest amount of trading fees, you want to sign up with a referral code. I recommend you guys use my referral code for that, as it is in the description below. And since I'm teaching you guys how to do this, I would just appreciate that. You don't have to, but I recommend it. Also, you're going to get 20 BMX when you register using the referral code, and that's basically this exchange's version of BNB. So as you can see right over here, it's 2.33 cents right over here. It's very cheap, and it's definitely a great hold. If you get it for free, you might as well hold it. So let's say you already have Bitcoin in this exchange. If you don't, you would go over here to your assets, and you're going to type in Bitcoin or whatever asset you want to deposit here, and you're going to click deposit, and you're going to send it to the address that pops up here. All right. So I'm going to show you guys also how to avoid the higher trading fees. So you're going to click this right here. You're going to click your email, and you're going to see where it says over here, fee discount. You're going to pay your fees with BMX, which is going to give you a 50% discount on trading fees, which is fantastic. And now we're going to go over to the exchange. So you guys are going to go to exchange in order to buy Apollo. And it brings you straight to BTC versus USDT. BTC looks pretty bullish as well, in my opinion, on the daily. And over here, you're going to type in APL, and you're going to get APL BTC. You could also trade it against Ethereum. I have Bitcoin on this exchange. I mostly trade it with Bitcoin right now, so we're going to focus on that. So if you want to sell your Apollo, for example, you would click one of these prices, and whatever percentage you want to do, 20%, 50%, 75, 100%, and then you go and click sell. I'm not going to do that. I don't plan on selling my Apollo at the moment, but uh, there's something called taker and maker fees. So basically, if you're a maker, that means you're creating liquidity in the market. So right now, the only bids that are available is someone selling for 18.86 sats and someone buying for 17.10. So if I click here and I want to sell mine for 17.8 sats, and I click 25% and I go to sell that, that is going to give me a smaller trading fee. So I'm going to pay the maker fee, which is going to be 0.05, because I'm creating liquidity in the market. I'm putting out a number that is not available here, and I'm not just taking someone's bid. And if I also trade with the BMX fees, like I showed you guys before, that lowers this to 0.025, which is great. If you are immediately buying this, say I'm trying to buy Apollo, and I want to buy 10,000 Apollo. Let's say I want to buy 10,000 Apollo, and I click on this price and I buy it for that price as someone is selling it for that. I'm going to pay zero point 0.1, which is a pretty large trading fee. But if I am using my BMX for the trading fees, I'm going to pay 0.05. So if you guys want to have these lower trading fees, maybe a good idea to buy BMX. You'll also get a little bit for free if you use my referral code to sign up, because you'll get the 20 BMX for free. So I recommend doing that. I recommend you guys have a little bit of BMX set aside in order to pay these lower trading fees. And look at that. Someone did just pay that higher price in order to get their Apollo immediately. So I don't really recommend doing that, especially after these massive pumps. I recommend going somewhere in the middle in order to pay the lower trading fee. I'm in no rush to get my Apollo. I already have. If I look to buy more, I'm just going to set a price somewhere in the middle. That way I get the most Apollo. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was very informative. I hope you guys learned how to buy Apollo. I hope you guys learned how to use Bitmart Exchange in order to do it. And if you guys are interested, and you guys are interested in seeing trading signals, especially relating to Apollo, check out the link in the description below. It's my Telegram trading signals chat. We have about 500 people in the chat right now. I think actually it's like 425. We're getting there though. But basically, earlier today, we signaled to sell at 20 sats, and then we bought back at 15.5. So we increased our Apollo bag by about 25%. This right here was only about 4 million Apollo last night, and today it's at a little bit over 5 million. So you guys should definitely check that out.